Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can record songs in Heartopia. Basically, you will need to be a minimum level of 17 in this game, so DG member level 17. Then you're going to have this quest here. It says purchase a phonograph from Kaching's general store. Head on over and purchase the phonograph. It costs, I actually don't know. Let's see. Okay, 4,000, not that bad. Purchase it. Then you're going to, okay, let me just talk to Kaching real quick. Okay, blah, blah, blah. And place the phonograph in your house. I'll be right back because driving is very laggy for me. To place the phonograph, just press your backpack and you're going to just get it out. Place it near the instrument you want to record, so it's easier to kind of go back and forth. Okay, I don't know why. Okay, let's just place it there. To record, press the mic button and go to your piano or whatever it is you want to record. Okay, I'm re-recording that later, but just enter your song title and press save. Then to review it, you're just going to go back to your phonograph. Press the microphone. Oh, nope. I meant the other button, sorry. This one. And to play it, again, you can press this button here. Okay. To rename it, you can go here, and to kind of burn your work, you're just going to use this. So enter a brief tagline, enter a description. You can make it public or not, and then you're just going to press burn. You'll need the CD tickets for this. Here you can also change the CD cover. As you can see, you can even use pictures you have, and you can even create an artwork if you'd like to yourself. But yeah, that's how you can kind of create your own CD here in Heartopia. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!